Alright, what's up everyone? Just gonna do a little quick update. So far I got the X pipe in, and I'm working on the rear section of the exhaust necks. As you can see, I'm trying to work with whatever I have. It's old garbage right there. So far this is what it looks like underneath. I try to center everything up as much as possible, but given the limited ground clearance, this is the best I could do. Hurricane headers, long tube, midsection right here, into X pipe, about 2.5 inches. Just have to put full beads on those. Yeah, try to keep it as straight as possible all the way back. So we'll see what it sounds like. Hopefully good. Now I am going to chop these up to make them work. Cheers.